Who is roll number 20? Can I host you? Hello? Roll number 20.
Yes, sir.
Can I host you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us start. In the previous class, there is non-offset QPSK. Non-offset QPSK. They left us see the QPSK or offset QPSK. In the QPSK, there is a block diagram. There are two D flip-flops and one T flip-flop. So the input is given to two D flip-flops and clock is given to two D flip-flops via a toggling clock. So the output of D flip-flops are B of t and B naught of t, B of t and B naught of t. Then B of t multiplied with root sine cos omega naught t that produce SE of t signal, and B of t multiplied with root sine omega naught t that produce S naught of t. SE of t and S naught of t both are the signals added by the adder. Output is V of t, that is QPSK output, that is B of t root PS cos omega naught t plus B naught of t root PS sin omega naught t. So that is the QPSK output. Now S naught and SE are the two independent BPSKs. Two independent BPSKs. After merging of these two independent BPSKs, we produce QPSK, that is quadrature phase shift keying. Okay. Now non-offset QPSK, here it is. The same block diagram of offset QPSK, small modification takes place there. Either in the odd D flip-flop or even D flip-flop, before the D flip-flop, can add one more D flip-flop, one more flip-flop. That is between the T flip-flop and D flip-flop, either even side or odd side. You can use anyone. Another flip-flop is used between them. That is D flip-flop to T flip-flop. So what happens there? If you use that, the individual bits are again delay. So that is 90 degrees takes phase difference takes place. Here in the PPT, let an example. There is a vector B, one of the signal, one of the bit, B not another bit. So B is positive, B is negative also there. That is 180 degrees out of phase. B positive and B negative are 180 degrees out of phase. B not positive and B not negative are 180 degrees out of phase. BE, B naught are the two independent signals. BE and B naught are the two independent signals are binary data. BE plus or minus 1, B naught plus or minus 1. BE plus 1, positive x-axis, BE minus 1, negative x-axis. BE, B naught plus 1, positive y-axis, B naught minus 1, negative x-axis, negative y-axis. So likewise, there are the resultants takes place. Here it is BE, B naught 1 quarter, positive, positive, BE minus 1, B naught plus 1, and then another quarter, that is minus 1 plus 1. Like So here it is the vector representation for individual signals. Here the signals are B, B naught. First quarter, second quarter, third quarter, fourth quarter. The quarter signal is the resultant signal for the two 90 degrees signals. So that is, so likewise, this is the vector representation of the signaling points of non-offset QPSK. So now go for differences between QPSK and OQPSK, that is non-offset QPSK and QPSK. So here it is, non-offset QPSK and offset QPSK or QPSK. Offset QPSK or QPSK and non-offset QPSK. The difference is there. The last class, there is small correction there. In place of non-offset QPSK page there. So students, please identify that. Okay, here it is. These differences are important in an examination point of view. Please be observed that. So examiner many times ask that type of question. Differentiate between offset QPSK and non-offset QPSK, or QPSK and non-offset QPSK. Offset QPSK or QPSK are the same. No, non-offset QPSK are other. So the examiner asks differences between offset QPSK and non-offset QPSK or QPSK and non-offset QPSK. There, the first one is transition time. That is, transition time of the bits are a single bit in transition time TRB in non-offset QPSK to TRB offset QPSK. That is QPSK. Bits used. BFT level change or voltage level change. The change is change in offset QPSK. The initiating change takes place offset QPSK. And phase angle between it is 90 degrees non-offset QPSK. Okay. Between non-offset QPSK receiver. So here balanced modulator VFT. Another input is root 2 PS cos omega naught. One of the input is balanced modulator is BFT. Balanced modulator is BFT root 2 PS cos omega naught is output of balanced modulator. That is given to channel. Channel output is BFT root 2 PS cos omega naught plus theta is added there. Plus theta is delay of the channel. That is the signal is available at the receiving end. What is the signal? BFT root 2 PS cos omega naught plus theta. Now from the signal, one part is recovered carrier, another part is detection part. One part is the recovered carrier. So what is the recovered carrier there? So from that signal, carrier is recovered by using square law device, band pass filter, and frequency divided by 2 network. These are the two blocks to recovered carrier. So that is cos omega naught plus theta is the recovered carrier from the received signal. So that is given to synchronous detector. Synchronous detector another input is BFT root 2 PS cos omega naught plus theta. After synchronous detector, 2 multiplies. So BFT root 2 PS cos square omega naught plus theta is available at the synchronous detector output. So that is the case in BPSK. Now the same concept applied in the QPSK receiver also. Merging of two BPSKs. The block diagram see merging of two BPSKs. One of BPSK is SC of T, another BPSK is S naught of T. SC of T is B of T cos omega naught T, and S naught of T is B naught of T root PS sin omega naught T. These are the two signals, two independent BPSKs. Now we can merging, that is output. So like in the QPSK receiver, receive the data. That is received data is root PS B of B naught of T cos omega naught T plus root PS B of T cos omega naught T. This is that is the is received here. Can neglect theta plus theta actually can add for our convenience only. For the data is transmitted is the received signal also recovered carrier. Another part is signal in the block input fourth power. Okay. 4 T square, no? BPS output to fourth power. That is given to band pass filter. The raised power is 4 by band pass filter also the carrier part raised for 4 block signal. BPS, these two carriers are given to multiplier. With multiplier is be at sampling time Here the output is TR. T is now signal soft. Now can, so that is given to integrate circuit. The integrated is E because exaggerated. Because if it is odd number of bits are belongs to odd, one another carriers belong to even. So that's why 7 likewise even bits are received. So even bits are received. So that is given to lagging switch. The sampling switch output is B of T. Output is hard and even integrated. I didn't know that the integration part there in the integrated scale. So this is one multiplier is of even and odd. Integration parts are, see that 2 plus 2. If the case code 1, 2k minus 1. If it's case code 1, 4 minus bits, that is independent bits are even or odd. So the TPS is center of the cutoff so these are others QPSK receiver QPSK then go to representation. Signal space, let V M of T signal is equal to root plus 2m plus 1 into pi by 4. Is it not? 2 to PS cos omega in place of theta, there is 2, this is the equation. 1, 2, 3. zero signal, first signal, second signal, third signal. Let an example. M is equal M is equal pi by 4. This one in M is equal to 0. Small m is equal to 0. M is equal. What is the value? Simple substitute in place of m plus omega naught t plus yeah m is 2 plus omega naught t plus 3 pi by 4. M of t is equal m is 4 5 5 7 7 7 5 by 4. So here at m is equal to 0, m is equal to 3 because of q is 4 signals only 0 1 2 3 0 m is equal to 0 signal is 5 m is equal to the entire signal difference is 5 the signal difference is 7 4. Here 1 is 5 by 4, 3 by 4, 5 by 4, 7 by 4.
సార్ మీ వాయిస్ బాగా కట్ అవుతుంది సార్.
You
సార్ మీ వాయిస్ బాగా కట్ అవుతుంది సార్, ఏం అర్థం కావట్లా.
Hello?
మీ వాయిస్ ఏం
Is
అర్థం
it clear?
కావట్లేదు సార్, బాగా అసలు కట్ అయిపోతుంది సార్ బాగా.
signal disturbance Is it audible now? Some sort of signal problem here. Okay, thank you. So in the previous class, there is the differences between uh, sorry, the block diagram of uh, okay, please, who is that raise his hand? Hello? Okay, so in the signaling points, let us see the equation. Vm of t is equal to root ps cos omega naught t plus 2m plus 1 into pi by 4. So there it is. The signal is m is equal to 0. The entire signal is pi by 4 angle. If m is equal to 1, the entire signal is 3 pi by 4. If m is equal to 2, the entire signal is 5 pi by 4. At m is equal to 3, the entire signal is 7 pi by 4. 7 pi by 4. So here you can see that the phase differences here. The first quarter value, that is pi by 4. The second one, 3 pi by 4. The third one, pi by 4. Fourth one, 7 pi by 4. So that is the difference. Now it is a signaling points between QPSK. Now it is the distance between the signaling points D is equal to root 2 root PS TRB, that is 2 root EB. So that is each signaling point distance is 2 root EB. 2 root EB. So that is the QPSK receiver part. QPSK receiver part. Now you go for MRA PSK there. So in the MRA PSK, M represents the level. Therefore, the entire 2 pi, that is 360 degrees divided by M levels. Divided by M levels. Now 2 pi by M. 2 pi by M. Entire 2 pi divided by M. Now M is equal to the level is equal to the power of n. The level is equal to the power of n, where n is n bit per signal, n number of bits per signal, n number of bits per signal. At m is equal to where n is equal to 1. At m is equal to where n is equal to 1. There are two signals now, logic 1 signal and logic 0 signal. There are two signals. That is m is equal to 2 now. 2 pi by m. 2 pi by 2 is equal to pi. That is pi is equal to 180 degrees. So if pi is equal to 180 degrees, what happens? The each signal spacing is 180 degrees. Each signal has differ by 180 degrees. That is nothing but BPSK output. BPSK output. BPSK output. Now, at m is equal to 4, capital M is equal to 4, where n is equal to 2, is not? That is 2 to the power of 2 is equal to 4, where n number of bits per signal. Now, if n is equal to m is equal to the power of 4, 2 to the power of 2, there is 4. There are 4 signals now. There are 4 signals now. What are the signals? 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. There are 4 signals. Now, what is the phase difference? 2 pi by 4, because 2 pi by m now, m is equal to 4, 2 pi by 4. 2 pi by 4 means pi by 4, pi by 2. So pi by 2 is 0, 0, pi by 2, 0, 1, pi by, each signal spacing is pi by 2. So that is QPSK. There are 4 signals. Each signal have the differ by 90 degrees only. Each signal differ by 90 degrees only. 90, 180, 270 and 360. 4 signals. Now, in this M-array PSK, M number of levels. M number of levels are there. In M-array PSK, Vm of t is equal to root 2 ps cos omega naught t plus pi m. Cos omega naught t plus pi m, where pi m is equal to 2m plus 1 into pi by m. Students note that equation there. For M-array PSK, Vm of t is equal to root 2 ps cos omega naught t plus pi m, where pi m is equal to 2m plus 1 into pi by m, where small m is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 up to m minus 1. Up to m minus 1. If m is equal to 4, up to 4 minus 1, 3. That means 0, 1, 2, 3. What is QPSK? Okay, like m is equal to 8, m is equal to 8, up to small m is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Because m is equal to 8, m minus 8 minus 1, 7. So the m, small m represents number of signaling points. Number of signaling points. So those each signaling point differ by which angle it is, depending upon the m value. Depending upon the m value. Okay. So in this, it is one of the example of M-array PSK. Now, it is the number of signaling points are differ by 8. So in the previous QPSK, now the m is equal to 4. No. If m is equal to 4, the 4 signals are there. Each signal have differ by it's pi by 4, 3 pi by 4, 5 pi by 4, and 7 pi by 4. So now let us assume that if m is equal to 8, m is equal to 8. How many signals are there? 8 signals. What is the signal difference? What is the signal difference? Let us calculate in that equation. Let us calculate in that equation. So that equation is so in this equation. So now it is 2m plus 1 into pi by 8 now. If suppose m is equal to 8, m is equal to 8. m is equal to 8, what happens it is root 2 ps at m is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up to 7. That is, the signaling points are taken from m minus 1 signaling points, capital M minus 1 signaling point, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so those signaling points are, if m is equal to 0, what the value now? Root 2 ps cos omega naught t plus pi by 8, because of m is equal to 8, pi by 8, because m is equal to 0, 0 into 2, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 into 8, pi by 8. That is, the first signal are correct, root 2 ps cos omega naught t plus pi by 8. What is the second signal now? If m is equal to 8, what is the second signal? Root 2 ps cos omega naught t plus 2 into 1, 2 plus 1, 3 pi by 8. 3 pi by 8 is the second signal. What is the third signal? What is the third signal? M is equal to 2 now. M is equal to 2 now. 5 pi by 8. What is the fourth signal? M is equal to 3 there. 7 pi by 8. What is the fifth signal now? M is equal to 4. Small m is equal to 4. 4 into 8 plus 1, 9 pi by 8. Likewise, you can take any value depending upon capital M. Capital M is equal to 16. 16 signals are there. Consider small m value up to 15, m minus 1. Okay, so that is the M array PSK. That is M array PSK. That is M array PSK. So now this is the M array PSK signaling points representation. Signaling point representation. So there, the distance between signaling points. The distance between signaling points, D is equal to, so see this, equation is important. This equation known as Euclidean distance between the two subsequent points. Now the subsequent points are on the circle. The circle spacing is entire 2 pi, that is 360 degrees. On the entire 2 pi, the distance between the signals is equal to, D is equal to root 4 es sine square pi by m. Pi by m, or root 4 n ERB sine square pi by 2 to the power of n. M is equal to 2 to the power of n. No. So that is, what is ES there? ES is the symbol energy or signal energy. ES is the signal energy. ES is the signal energy. So that is PS into N into TRB, where TRB is the bit time is equal to PS into TS is equal N into EB. And EB is equal to PS TB is the energy associated with 1 bit. Energy associated with 1 bit. So this equation is known as Euclidean distance between the two signaling points, any two signaling points, subsequent signaling points, first point to second point, second to third, third to fourth, likewise. So that is the Euclidean distance between the signaling points. The signaling vectors are arranged depending upon m value. That is the equation. So it is the equation Pm of t is equal to root 2 ps cos omega naught t plus pi m, where pi m is the angle or spacing between the vectors. Pi m is equal to 2m plus 1 into pi by m. 2m plus 1 into pi by m, where m is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 up to m minus 1. Okay, so this is an Euclidean, this is an M array PSK mathematical equation. Students, go through the entire things and practice the block diagrams. Okay. So if you have any doubts, please contact me and we are going to discuss. Okay. So here, please send attendance. So with this, you can complete BPSK, DPSK, DEPSK, QPSK, MRPSK. Okay. So actually, it is one of the part in the second unit. Okay. So that is remaining part in the second unit is ASK, FSK, MRA ASK, MRA FSK also there. Okay. So, so because of some signal disturbances, maybe noise may occur in our communication. So unable to reach the accurate information. So there is S/N ratio is more. S/N the signal to noise ratio is there. So in between you and me. So because of the line noise is there and signaling disturbances occurs. Okay. So please go to the textbook and with these some important points. So make your notes, write your own notes. So if possible, I have to send my notes also. Thank you. Thank you for listening.